Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Custom Knife Factory, Tashi, Bharucha, Justice, Beast of a Knife here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this guy out because this is a very, very interesting integral piece of titanium. It's a beast of a knife. It doesn't need any intervention. I'm just doing it because I like to maintain, disassemble and clean up this bad boy. So you're gonna need a T8 screw, and I see that is already, oh no, it's not spinning, so it was just a little bit tight. So just be careful, you don't want to scratch these zirc bolsters. Look at the size of this pivot. Beautiful. So like just said that, right? Okay, good. And then blade, just keep it centered and slowly moving it out. And then you have to pop the pivot, the stop pin out like so. Okay. And you're done. Look at this, like 30 seconds. We are good to go, and we're gonna use just alcohol swab right over here to clean up the inside and the blade, like tang of the blade, like so, to remove the grease in excess on the pocket for the bearing, on the tang and on the detent ball track. So this is basically done, and just right off like so. Very good. We're gonna clean up also the bearings like that and like this. Nice ceramic caged ball bearings. We can clean the inside of this area here for the cutout of the bolster. Nice. And we're gonna also use one of these Q-tips over here like this and like that, like with this wrapped around like so, just to go on the inside, because this of course is an integral knife, so there's no way we can access better than this the inside. And we want to get it cleaned nicely, all right? So there you go, look at this, nice and clean. So that is done, and we can just go back. Actually, let's just clean this up as well. Beautiful. So this guy goes actually on the inside, okay, like so. So make sure, you see, just by tapping, this guy goes in place. And let me just clean this area here. All right, then, pretty simple. You take your 10 weight nano oil, and you just do like, I don't know, 1, 2, and 3 on this side, and 1, 2, and 3. Those are big drops, but anyways, on this side, and then you put it away, and then you've got your 1, 2 bearings in. You slide the blade in like so. You take your stop pin in like so. You make it sure that it's there, and then you want to maybe just give it a clean on the inside. And also, let's see, this side as well. And then you want to pop this guy in like so. Flip the knife, pop the other bolster, kind of bolster, yeah, it's a bolster, there. And then it's basically done. Pivot is going in like so. Put it there. We're going to use a little bit of blue Loctite for the pivot, just to coat a little bit like that, and the pivot is in. And guys, we are done. I mean, how cool is that? 5 minutes. Guys, maybe there's a little bit of blade play, so just tighten this guy up a little bit and blade play is gone. So what I like to do is just use a little bit heavier weight nano oil on the detent ball right over there, just like a, this is already too much, so I'm just gonna wipe it off like so and use just that little drop like so. Okay, and let's see how we did for this guy over here. Blade, let me see. Blade looks a tiny bit off center, and then we need, I wanna just make sure the inside is perfectly clean, like that. Oh, the action, no, actually, yeah, blade is maybe a hair off. Let me see if I can do something. Okay, this is fully tightened. It's too tight. Guys, I think this goes like that. It's beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Actually, this guy needs to be fully tightened, not to have any kind of blade play, but to have this action right over here. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Feels good in the hand. Ooh, super smooth. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.